Mr. K.R. Jyotilal, Principal Secretary, Transport Department from Kerala. Kindly join us here. He has made remarkable contributions to diverse sectors including transportation, revenue management, district administration, fisheries, information technology, food, civil supplies and consumer affairs. He was instrumental in implementing the Safe Kerala project, introduction of solar boat, EV policy and hydrogen fuel cell project in the state. He's been leading the development of key infrastructure projects related to transportation and aviation in Kerala. It includes Kannur International Airport and Kochi Metro Rail project. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thanks, Scotch Foundation. In fact, I don't know whether I deserve it. Generally it is said, life is a dream, realize the dream. And life is nothing but look inside for everything. All the problems you need to solve within. So we need to compete with ourselves. In fact, I should thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Chief Secretary, all the bureaucrats or the people who are down below who have been helping it make it happen. Actually, the vision of the government was 5 zeros, nothing but zero cash. That means 100% digital. Everything should be digital. So it's a physical integration as well as mobility sector digital integration. In fact, I should thank Sri Nandan Nilekani to bring the first UPI of mobility, that's open mobility networks, where you can seamlessly integrate various modes of transport. Zero cash, zero waste. There is no concept called waste. Everything can be converted into energy. Like Einstein said, matter and energy are same. So you need to Advaita or what Shankaracharya said. So zero cash, zero congestion. Your cities has to be productive. That means you need integration, not coordination. We have got a lot of committees. Committees have nothing but come to tea. Sometimes we meet, but integration is very, productivity of a city depends on how fast you move the men and material. So we have got the Metropolitan Transport Authority is probably first time in the country, which we brought to reduce the congestion and increase the productivity. And zero waste and zero congestion, zero emission. That is where we started with probably we are one of the fastest adoption in the electric vehicles in the country, and probably Tata is finding it difficult to even supply the demand for Nexon vehicles. And we have moved to hydrogen. I am sure that within next 10 years, India is going to lead the world, because the carbon to hydrogen transformation is going to happen in next 10 years, and we have brought the first hydrogen vehicles, including hydrogen economy, so that move from carbon to hydrogen in the age of this climate change. So, and the zero accidents, because we had one of the maximum number of deaths around 4,000 people used to die in the road accidents. We brought a vision zero to reduce it to zero. If not a zero, at least 50% if we reduce, we are saving a lot of families. So actually the entire team, including maybe right from top to lowest person, I think they helped us making this dream a reality soon. Thank you.
Congratulations.